Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM or SD card so nothing shorts. Next, place the phone on an ESD mat or clean flat surface and organize screws into a labeled tray. Use the correct screwdriver, pentalobe for many models, Phillips for others, then gently heat the screen edge for 30-60 seconds to soften adhesive. This makes prying safer. Once done, insert a thin plastic pick and slowly separate the display from the frame, lifting from one corner while watching ribbon cables. With the display lifted, you should disconnect the battery right away to avoid accidental power. Then identify the volume button assembly, usually along the left edge, and remove any shielding or screws holding it. Carefully unclip the flex cable using a plastic tool. Metal tools can damage connectors. Once free, compare the new button assembly to the old part to confirm orientation. Then seat the new flex cable and press the button housing into its slot so the tactile pad aligns with the actuator on the motherboard. You finish by reconnecting display and battery connectors in the reverse order you removed them, making sure each connector clicks into place. Improper seating causes failures. Before sealing the device, power it on and press both volume up and volume down several times to confirm tactile response and on-screen feedback. If the button is unresponsive or intermittent, power down, reopen, and reseat the flex cable and ground contacts. If that fails, try a known good replacement part or inspect for crushed metal or adhesive obstructing movement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.